Hello everyone, welcome to Ekascloud. In this video, we are going to see different types of Azure disk provided by Azure. So in the previous video, we saw what is Ultra Disk and Premium SSD. In this video, we are going to see standard SSD and standard HDD and the features of both these types, and we'll see where to use standard SSD and standard HDD in this video. Okay, so let's move to the video. Standard SSD, cost effective storage option optimized for workloads that needed consistent performance at lower IOPS level. So whenever you need high IOPS level, you will use ultra disk or premium SSD. So whenever you want lower IOPS level but consistent performance for optimized workloads, and also you need a cost effective solution, in that case you can use standard SSD. And compared to standard HDD, standard SSD deliver better availability, consistency, reliability and latency. So comparing both the standard SSD and standard HDD, you can use standard SSD. So whenever you want better availability and consistency, reliability and latency. Okay, so it is suitable for web servers. Whenever you want to launch a web server, in that case you can use a standard SSD. And low IOPS application servers, lightly used enterprise application and development and test workloads. So in those cases it is best to use standard SSD rather than using other types of disk. So it is designed to provide single digit millisecond latency and IOPS and throughputs. So it up to 99% of the time. Okay, so in premium SSD it will provide 99.9%, while here standard SSD provides 99% of the time. So even here we can achieve single digit millisecond latency and the IOPS and the throughput. But compared to premium SSD, it is little lesser perform. It will provide little lesser performance. Okay, IOPS and throughputs may vary sometimes depending on the traffic patterns, and available. It is also available on all Azure VMs. So whereas premium SSD, it is available only for VM series that is with premium SSD compatible. But here standard SSD is available on all Azure VMs. So these are the features of standard SSD. Next, let us move to standard HDD. So it is reliable, low cost disk, support for VMs running latency insensitive works. So whenever you need to run very insensitive workloads, in those case you can use standard HDD. So it is reliable, but it is also low cost, that is supported for VM. So whenever you are going to use very less amount of data and less insensitive workloads, you can use standard HDD, and you can save your cost also, money also. So it is also available on all Azure VMs and provides latency, IOPS and throughput. For standard HDD disk may vary more widely as compared to SSD based disk, designed to deliver right latencies under 10 milliseconds and read latency up to 20 milliseconds for input and output operations. So the SSDs will provide single digit millisecond latency, while standard SSD will provide 10 milliseconds for write latency, and read latency will be under 20 milliseconds for input and output operations. So you can use select the data disk according to your own workloads. So it is also available in all Azure VMs and Azure regions and can be used with all Azure VMs. Okay, so these are other two different types of Azure data disk, and we'll see the comparing a chart of this Azure disk types. So this is the comparing chart. So here you can see the maximum disk size, maximum throughput, maximum IOPS and scenario where you can use this disk. So ultra disk you can use on whenever you need